2026 Audi A6 revealed. Next level tech and design that'll leave you speechless. Stop everything you're doing. Audi has just unveiled the 2026 Audi A6. And it's not just an upgrade. It's a revolution on wheels. What you're about to see is Audi's most futuristic sedan yet, packed with cutting-edge tech, sleek design, and features that even the most premium rivals can't match. At first glance, the new A6 looks like a concept car that escaped from the future. The redesigned front fascia, ultra-slim matrix LED headlights, and bold single-frame grille scream sophistication. But the real story is under the surface. The interior? Mind-blowing. Audi has taken luxury and innovation to an entirely new level. The dashboard is now dominated by dual-curved OLED displays, floating ambient lighting strips, and a new generation MMI system powered by AI, capable of learning your driving habits and adjusting everything, from climate to route suggestions, automatically. But here's the kicker. The 2026 A6 introduces hands-free Level 3 autonomous driving in select markets. Yes, you heard that right. The car can literally drive itself under certain conditions. It monitors the road, keeps itself centered in the lane, and can even slow down or accelerate in traffic, all while you relax. Under the hood, the A6 doesn't disappoint either. Audi offers a range of mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains, with improved fuel economy and instant torque delivery. The Quattro all-wheel drive system is now even smarter, distributing power with more precision to provide unmatched handling and grip in any condition. For those who crave performance, there's the A6 Performance S-Line, which offers over 400 horsepower, sports-tuned suspension, and a launch control feature that'll pin you to your seat. Safety-wise, it's a fortress. 360-degree radar, adaptive cruise, emergency lane assist, predictive pedestrian braking. This sedan doesn't just protect you, it predicts the danger before it happens. And yes, it's more spacious, has wireless charging pads in both front and rear, 4-zone climate control, and yes, even massage seats. So is the 2026 Audi A6 just another luxury sedan? Absolutely not. It's a glimpse into the future of intelligent driving, and it's already here. If this car shocked you as much as it did us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because more game-changing cars are on the way. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Is the 2026 A6 the best sedan of the year? Or did Audi go too far?